To set up automatic cutting of labels on the BradyPrinter i7100, you will need to install a cutter accessory, as well as set up your printer driver. First, we'll install the cutter accessory. You will need your i7100 printer, the auto cutter accessory with tray, the onboard hex key tool, and a Torx key size T20. To install the auto cutter, you will first need to remove the front cover and the front door of the printer. Use the Torx key to loosen the 2 screws from the bottom of the printer to remove the door. Then use the onboard hex key tool to release the screw on the front cover. Next, lightly loosen the tear bar plate that comes on the standard printer or peel bar plate that comes on the peel model printer. Remove the plate, or leave it in place. Then apply the tray and retighten the screw. To attach the auto cutter accessory, begin by powering off and unplugging the printer. Wait for the light to go out to ensure the power is off as a safety measure. Line up the port and screws to their corresponding connections on the front of the printer. Secure by tightening the front screw. Now you can turn the screen back on. You can then set up your labels to print and cut automatically or to print on demand. And tell your printer you want to send an auto-cut job. Open your printer driver, right-click and select Printing Preferences, and choose the Advanced Setup tab. You can change the cutter settings to Never Cut, to cut at the end of a print job, or to cut after every label, or after a set number of labels. You can also fine-tune adjust the cut offset here as well. Then click Apply to apply your changes, then hit OK. Now you can go back to your label file and resume printing. The printed labels will collect in the tray for easy access. The auto cutter will require periodic cleaning and possible lubrication of your cutter gear. Consult the printer's manual for more details.